All life is movement. A first tentative step or final winning spurt. A gentle touch or firm handshake. Each habitual turn or an audacious leap into the unknown contain tens of thousands of joint movements that help us master and conquer this world. We do not think that our joints need help and protection until that first cracking sound in an elbow or pain in a knee. B-Luron is an innovative combination of hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate that helps maintain joint health. Like any movable mechanism, a joint needs lubrication. This function is performed by the interarticular synovial fluid, which nourishes the cartilages and protects them from wear and tear. In a healthy body, joint fluid is produced in a sufficient amount, but decreases due to aging, injuries, vigorous physical activity, or sedentary lifestyle, thus losing its lubricating properties. The increased wear and tear causes cartilage deterioration and pain. The action of B-Luron is focused on the prime cause of joint pain. It is both an ideal lubricant and a high-quality building material for the cartilage. It took 20 years and more than 270 experiments to develop an efficient formula that not only provides nutrients and restoration of cartilage tissues, but also activates the body's production of synovial fluid. The unique formula of B-Luron is based on the modified molecular structure of hyaluronic acid, which preserves its stability and does not degrade when taken orally. We will go to Germany, on the outskirts of the city of Weimar, where this unique product for joint health is produced under the leadership of Dr. Duschek. Modern complete production cycle technology allows to control every stage of B-Luron production, from its component preparation to packaging. At all stages of production, an automatic control system regulates pressure, temperature, and other key parameters, ensuring the unparalleled quality of B-Luron. B-Luron is more efficient than injections, as it also activates the body's production of hyaluronic acid and acts on all joints simultaneously. The B-Luron formula is enhanced by chondroitin, which binds moisture in the cartilage, maintains its elasticity and cushioning properties. The positive effect of B-Luron occurs within 2 to 3 weeks after the start of its administration and lasts up to 5 months. B-Luron may be combined with any type of physical therapy, is free of side effects, and is convenient to use. It is time to take a step towards new discoveries. Easily, confidently, freely. B-Luron is the best support system for your joints.